4 major events we've been able to accomplish with Kuya this year since January. The first being our first ever resource estimate, which was very good, and not only confirmed the historical resource, but a little bit extra there.
Well, hello there, my friends. Chris Marcus here with you for Arcadia Economics. And today we have a quick video with David Stein of Kuya Silver with a recap of everything they've been up to in 2022, just to keep shareholders and prospective shareholders abreast of the developments. So David, appreciate you joining me today. And perhaps you could let folks know everything that's been going on recently.
Yeah, thanks, Chris. I mean, so we're almost halfway through the year here in June, and really 4 major events we've been able to accomplish with Kuya this year since January. The first being our first ever resource estimate, which was very good, and not only confirmed the historical resource, but a little bit extra there. So we're very happy with that. Then we followed that up actually with some new surface exploration that shows even within the resource block, we're finding new veins at surface. So there's going to be more there, more to the story. Even before we start drilling deeper and going to the hilltop zone, even within the main block, we're already finding more silver mineralization and as well as gold and base metals. So it's very, very exciting as well for that. So that's the second thing. Third is we got our construction authorization, which is a very important permit. That allows us to construct the mill and tailings facility that we've been working on. Really, the key to the Bethania project is to build our own mill at site. That's what is going to unlock so much value for this project, and now we're able to do that. We have the right permits in place to do that. And then finally, we put out our PEA results as well, and really, that is what shows the market how robustly economic the project is. And again, it's just a first step in terms of the 350 ton per day plant that we're building now. So it's really just, this is just stage 1 and what's going to be a much longer and larger growth story. But it's, you got to start somewhere. And so we're very happy to get the PEA out and show people, even at this small kind of starter operation, it's a very, very high profitability, high return, quick payback. So that's very exciting as well. So those are really the events that we've had this year. It's been a very, very eventful year, despite the challenging stock market. And we're very, very excited to go forward.
Well, that sounds good. And any key events, timelines going forward for the rest of the year that people should be aware of?
Yeah, look, I think we'll just keep the market updated on the progress with the project, including when we get to construction, and so I think going forward, there'll be a lot of news on that, and so I think that'll be the key for us. And I think as those cash flows become closer and closer in time, people will give them more and more value. That's sort of how NPV works. Yeah. And so that's going to be really important for us going forward.
Well, David, I appreciate that. And folks, if you do have questions about Kuya Silver, you can find them at kuyasilver.com. Go to the contact tab. And David, I appreciate you being accessible to the shareholders, prospective investors, and you can ask any questions you have, get more information. And with that said, David, again, I appreciate you joining me, and thanks for all that you're doing to bring the project forward and keep some silver in the world.
Yeah, we do need some silver supply, right? So we'll do our part.
Well, appreciate that, especially in a silver supply deficit. It will be great to follow your progress going forward. And thanks again for joining me for an update today.
Thanks, Chris.